we can't resolve everything in one go. We have to see that we work on the system, and it'll always be there, that there'll be different issues that will come up. And civil service clearance at the central, at the UPSC level, is definitely one area which we are very, very concerned about, and we would like to see more students pass. So this year itself, in fact, I'm starting a program where I'm going to be supporting financially the students who have cleared the prelims. Will be giving financial support to them from the government side. At the same time, where the different districts and different organizations through which we are giving coaching and training and financial support. And we had started a program online many years back, which of course had to be stopped because of the COVID, the pandemic that struck us. But we are slowly structuring it. I hope that we'll be able to see more impact. Just recently in Garo Hills also we had, the religious organizations also have started to start this training process, and government is helping them also. So on and so forth. I think society as a whole and people and the state as a whole has to work unitedly to make this happen.